Hello, it's Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I want to share with you how to stretch carpet into your gripper metals. So all you're going to do is take the kicker and keep it about an inch back from the teeth of the metal. And then as you stretch up on it, use your hook knife or your stair tool to crease the teeth into the backing of the carpet. Now I'm taking my knife there and I'm just running that right along the top edge of the gripper metal and then tucking it in with the hook knife there. Now I got my hammer, I got a folded over piece of carpet. We are tapping this down, and oh my gosh, I sped up this video and I'm having a hard time keeping up with it here. But just tap that down, and you could use the piece of carpet to basically help you from dinging it up and things like that. A lot of people like rubber mallets. I'm personally just not a fan of them, but if you have a rubber mallet and you're newer at this, that's great. Go ahead and use this and it'll be a smoother transition. And then you just finish stretching on, like I said there. Keep the kicker about an inch back from the gripper metal teeth. Crease it on. Take your blade, run it along the top. Tuck it in with your hook or your stair tool, whatever you prefer. Once it's good, you go ahead and beat it down with a hammer. And once it's locked in place, you can go ahead and stretch across the room to go ahead and tighten up the rest of the room there. So if you have any questions about the carpet and flooring industry, be sure to comment below. I'll create a video answering them for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.